Okay, but why do you have his contact name with the fucking heart over it?
Jeffrey Dahmer.
Oh shit.
You look like you might kill some shit. You did Jesus.
Is that a girl?
Straight off the top, I ain't writing it. Roll up the gas and I'm lighting it. Better my sight, that's a light in it. I see that she peeping, she liking it. We not even bowling, I'm striking it. I'm having my way and I'm liking it. I'm playing the crib, I'm cooking up, posted, coolin', just to the tape drop. Winning through summer, he stay hot.
It's Ice, I'm got another video. Today we gonna be on the monkey app. Let's see what this do. I ain't been on the monkey app like a minute. I seen the videos lately, so we gonna see what it's talking about. Let's see what type of reactions we can get, interactions we can get. Let's get right into it. Is that a dude? Is that a girl? Hey buddy, are you a girl?
Shut up, bitch.
Hey, big nasty ass teeth. Say cheese. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hey, that shit you smoking got your teeth like that?
Hell nah.
What got your teeth like that?
I jumped into a pool.
She, like, literally is my best friend, and, like, he just texted her, like, if he can hang out with her.
What did she say?
She's fucking laughing and she thinks it's funny.
That's not funny, friend. You know what you should do? Hey, go fuck her man. Go fuck.
Tell your mom to fucking pick you up.
Go.
Because I don't want to be with you no more.
I don't want to be with you
And
either.
tell your man to stay out my DM.
You fucking tell him that.
No,
You have
the
this
first night.
You want to be with that.
This might be
The
a
first
skit.
night he said, "Hey," and I said, "Hey," and I thought it was gonna be something about you, but your man wants to be over here texting me and not you.
Okay, but why do you have his contact name with the fucking heart over it? Like next to it. Like,
You know what?
You
I
know.
know. You shouldn't be saying this because
What? Why should I be saying? Why should I be saying this? This is my man. You're my best friend. Why the fuck is he texting?
Hey, go fuck her man. Go fuck her man. Go fuck her man.
No. She's not gonna do anything with him.
No. You go fuck. No. Friend, be cool. You go fuck her man now. She wanna fuck your man? Go fuck her man.
She doesn't have a man. That's why she's taking mine.
you shouldn't be talking because I know you still talk to your ex.
I don't fucking talk to my ex. The last time I talked to him
When we were in the car, I saw his notification came up on your phone.
Okay, but I didn't have his name with the fucking heart next to it.
But you're still talking to your ex, but when you're with the guy.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. Like, I'm not texting him like that. You want to go through our messages right now?
Okay, let me see.
Go.
Pull up the receipts.
I will.
Pull up the receipts.
Go fucking check. I'm not fucking doing anything weird with him, unlike you.
Oh my
You
God.
be fucking behind my back.
Oh.
Why the fuck am I getting more messages? Why is he spamming you?
Hey, I'm
Is he
Tell your man to stay on my phone because I'm not going to do this.
is he that?
I'm
Is he really that important to you that he's...
I'ma just let them have it. They got some basic shit. I thought it was a skit.
I don't give a fuck what you like.
That's why your teeth dirty.
It's not dirty. It's a piercing.
No, it's dirty. You little stupid fuck. You little nasty ass. You little nasty ass face.
It's not.
Oh, your tongue dirty.
You have no eyebrows.
Yes, I do. Hey, why your tongue white though? Nah.
Right hook, uppercut. You just gotta rock him with it and you have to throw a punch.
Say it again.
You have to hit them. When they're backing you up against the fence, then in the fucking head movement, you gotta fucking left straight down the middle. You have to fucking hit them. No, you gotta tighten it up.
Oh, I gotta tighten it up.
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
You gotta fucking
Right.
an elbow. An elbow. Elbow.
Let's shadow box. Let's shadow box. Come on.
An elbow.
Shadow box. Oh, okay. Come on. Throw him.
That's 8 jabs.
Too slow, man. Duck.
That's an elbow.
Duck.
That's head kick. Jab.
We-
Jab. You're cooked. We're from Orangeburg. What an odd town, by the way. Very strange place. Never heard of it.
That nigga just punched me in my shit. What are you doing? Who you laughing at, bro?
Jeffrey Dahmer.
I'm scared. Nico. Marshmallow. Dance, dance, dance now. Dance now. Dance now. No, different one. Not. Oh shit. You said what? Ethan, watch your mouth, man. How you 104, Ethan? How?
I don't know.
How you 104, bro? Why you lying, bro?
You got a stick on you?
I'm scared of those.
Damn, you go. Oh, what the fuck? What? So black. How you scared of a stick, nigga? I got a question then. Why white people got a stick and black people scared of stick?
What you know about a stick?
Nigga, none of your business, bitch.
Who you talking to, boy? Hey, read them letters behind you right now. Read them letters behind you right now.
What the hell?
Read them letters right there. Read them. Hurry up. Read them.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yeah.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P.
Yeah.
Q, R, S.
Yeah.
T, U, V.
Yeah.
W, X.
Yeah.
Y, N.
Yeah. Hey, now stay in school. Don't worry about no damn sticks, boy.
Who you talking to?
You, hey, matter of fact, you read them. Hey, nah. Get little homie to read them. You read them as well. Read them. Hurry up.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yeah.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P.
Yeah.
Q, R, S.
Yeah.
T, U, V.
Yeah.
W, X.
Yeah.
Y, N.
Okay.
Now I know
Huh?
my A, B, C.
Bob.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Bob. Okay then. Hey, look though. Y'all boys start worrying about sticks, man. Stay in school. You feel me?
We out of school for now.
Know what I'm saying? Just in general. You feel me? Stay in school in life. Y'all boys do good in life, man. Don't worry about no sticks. You feel me?
Alright, you do good in life.
Alright. Y'all be smooth, man. What are you, bro? What are you?
Oh my goodness. Look at the bench.
Bencho.
Don't talk to me. Don't you do that.
Don't tell me what to do, buddy. Don't you tell me what to do, buddy.
Dude, I don't know what I'm doing.
Don't touch me, bitch.
Don't
touch me.
I like this guy. He's actually alright.
Hey, look though. Hey, y'all be smooth, man. Wait. Whoa.
Well, my Grammy's 23s and I'm made back. I'm with gang like how you really say that. But that's really never saying. I'm like, fuck you saying. Niggas always hating, always getting free because you know what the. Hey, pull up the spot with the.
Fuck you. Hey, fuck you.
Ugly ass boy. Yeah. You look like you might kill some shit, nigga.
Why?
But you a bitch.
Where you from?
Boston.
You not come to Massachusetts and smack the shit out you?
For real?
Yeah.
Where you from?
Boston.
You ain't from Boston, nigga.
Not from New England though.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
No, I'm not from Boston. I'm from New Bedford.
Why you lie, bro?
It's right next to Boston.
Why you
though.
lie, bro?
It's right next to Boston. I'm being honest.
I don't like liars.
I'm not lying. New B, nigga, you better slide through, nigga.
Hey, tell me you apologize, or you feel me?
Nigga, you think I'm gonna apologize?
Man,
nigga?
tell me you apologize. Listen, I'm not smiling. Tell me you apologize, bro. Your name Tyler,
Fuck
right?
wrong with you?
Your name Tyler?
Yeah, nigga.
Apologize.
Yeah.
Now.
Nah.
When your family have a fish fry, don't be mad at me.
Nigga, what shot you clean, nigga?
No, you gonna die. No, it don't matter. You gonna die.
What do you mean? You finna die, nigga?
I see you later, Tyler.
You need Jesus.
I trolled his ass. Too big ass scared. Hey, rub your head, rub your head, rub your head, rub your head. Rub your head, rub it. Do like this. Now rub your belly, rub your belly, rub your belly, rub your belly. Hey. That be stupid ass. Why the fuck that nigga do this shit? The fuck? Where you going?
To your house.
No, you not. No, the hell you not. No, the hell you not.
Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe, share, comment.
Back to the basics, staying consistent, chosen, know that I'm heaven sent. Wait till we on, we slide suburban, all black, just like the president. Okay, let's do it, ain't hesitant. How can I trip, that's irrelevant. Let's talk about paper and estimates. Headed in route, that's indefinite. One of the best and that's evident. Serving these beats, I'm a specialist.